Today, I'll show you how to connect ChatGPT with Zapier. Zapier lets you connect ChatGPT with other apps, so you can automate tasks like writing email replies, summarizing form responses, creating social media captions, or organizing customer messages. First, log into your Zapier account. From the Zapier dashboard, go to Apps. Click Add Connection. In the search box, type ChatGPT, then select ChatGPT OpenAI. Zapier will ask you to connect your account using an API key. According to Zapier's setup guide, you need to enter your OpenAI API key and optionally your organization ID to connect ChatGPT with Zapier. Now open your OpenAI account in another tab and create or copy your API key. Go back to Zapier, paste the API key into the connection window, then click Yes, Continue. Once the connection is successful, you can start using ChatGPT inside a Zap. Click Create Zap. Choose a trigger app such as Gmail, Google Sheets, Typeform, Slack, or Facebook Lead Ads. For example, you can trigger the Zap when a new form response is submitted. Next, add an action step and choose ChatGPT OpenAI. Select the action you want, such as generating a response, summarizing text, or analyzing information. Now write your prompt. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to summarize the form response and create a short follow-up email. Test the step and review the output. If the result looks good, add another action, like sending the response through Gmail or saving it in Google Sheets. Finally, test the full Zap and turn it on. And that's it. You've successfully connected ChatGPT with Zapier. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.